Hello, friends. Hello, all of us of Creative Ends International. Welcome to a new video. If you would like to see how I made this beautiful headpiece, I will uh, ask that you stay tuned so that you can see the processes and measurements and everything that is needed for you to do your own effortlessly. So here are the materials that we are using: the hot comb, or we call it stretcher, your Asoke, the metallic Asoke, and then your princess band. All right, and then fet, that's the that's the gum. All right, that's what I call it. I don't know what you call it, but I call it fet. So you can draw any pattern, but the pattern I'm drawing is a leaf, so you can choose any pattern of choice to use as your petals, but I'm using a leaf. All right, so I've taken the size of the leaf by just using my tailoring chalk to draw. All right, and then after that I'm going to cut out about 30 pieces, which will give me about because I'm going to be pairing, that is use two to make one. All right, so if I cut 30, that 30 will give me about 15, that is 15 leaves. Okay, so if you want more than that, you just go ahead and cut as much as you want, but remember that it has to be the metallic gele, that is that two-tone gele. The ordinary Ashoke cannot do this project, so please do not embark on this project using the ordinary Ashoke. This is that reflective type of Ashoke. So right now I have my leaves all cut out. The next thing I'll be doing is that I'll be using the fet and the hot comb, which is the stretcher, to do the final work. Okay, so we are going to cut the fet and place to fill the leaf up. Okay, so when you fill it up, you use the second Ashoke to cover. All right, and then you will use the stretcher to iron. So with this method you do not need your pressing iron, but if you do not have your stretcher, go ahead and use your pressing iron. One of the advantages of using the stretcher is that it requires less current, as in a little generator can do it, because it will be able to carry the stretcher. But if you are going to use iron, a pressing iron, then your small generator might not be able to carry it. This is mostly for those of us that depend on our own generator to provide light. All right, so stretcher is best for this. All right, so and it comes out very well because the stretcher is hot, very hot enough to melt the fet. All right, so by the time you are done, the edges will be rough, so try as much as possible to keep your edges as neat as it ought to be. All right, so that you don't have the stretch, the rope of the Ashoke, pulling out and all of that. So you just have to do all you have to do to make sure that you secure the edges and they are perfect for use. So after that, we cut out the chain. I don't know what you call this, but at least you can see it and you'll be able to recognize and buy it from the market. So I call it stone embellishment. Okay, so you can also work with any other embellishment that you feel is perfect for you. For instance, you can go ahead and just attach your fabric stones along the line, or get other form of embellishment that might be easy for you to use and also can be so gorgeous with this to do this thing I am doing now. But I'm just using this stone embellishment to do it, and it's good for me. So this is it. We are going to apply it. We are supposed to apply it to the back and the front, but for the purpose of this training I did just one side. But please, when you are doing yours, please apply the shade to both sides. Okay, because of time constraint, I had to just do it using one side. So after achieving all of this, the next thing that I would be doing would be for me to wrap the princess band. So you can just go ahead and do a one-time wrapping without having to cut a long piece the way I'm cutting now, because I'm cutting this long piece because I want to wrap it, rolling it. I just enjoy having that line along. But if you are not going to do that, you just take the measurement of your princess band, and then take that same measurement with your Asoke and apply your liquid glue around the band, and you are good to go. You can just easily wrap and you still have something that is good and presentable using that particular method. But for me, I chose to wrap. Okay, so what you choose to do is your choice, but then whichever direction. And even if you are not going to wrap using Ashoke, you can also use your bias, that is your sweet bias. You can use the one that is glittering, or you can use the plain one. Whatever you choose to do is perfect, but I decided, since I'm working with Ashoke, let me just do everything with Ashoke. That's just my own choice. Okay, so if you have watched this video up to this extent, then definitely you are enjoying what I am offering. So what are you waiting for? Why not click on the subscribe button and then hit on the like, because when you do that, it will help this video to go far. Other persons will be able to discover it easily. All right, so hit on the like, and of course, if you love this channel, do not forget to also hit on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Okay, so thank you. Please subscribe. So this is how I go about wrapping. You start by dropping some quantity of liquid glue on your princess band. This will help your Ashoke to sit tightly. Okay, instead of just wrapping without applying anything, just make sure that you apply some liquid glue as you wrap. It will help it to sit tightly, and it will not easily lose. In fact, it will not be able to lose. That's just it. So this is what we have from wrapping. Okay, close your the tips and all of that. You can also go ahead and attach your a little elastic to the edge, which will help it to sit properly on the edge. All right, so this is it. You can see how it is coming out. I know you love it. You can do this for yourself. You can also do it for your client. All right, so now it's time for us to place all the leaves on the band. Okay, you can go ahead and attach it without any support, but I do not advise that. Yes, so what I do is what I'll show to my followers. Okay, pad it up a little, give it a little bit of a lifting. That will give a support, okay, to the leaves, and then it will be able to stand very well. And of course, if you are using this method of padding it up, it's also going to help you to be able to get your height. So the one I'm doing now is just very little, but you can get a very high height from this padding, because your pad is going to determine how high it can go. I'm just doing this padding using only Ashoke, but then Ashoke is not the only thing you can use in padding, especially when you want it to be high, you want to decorate it like it's a crown and all of that. So you have other materials that you have to bring in, all right, so that you'll be able to achieve that height. But I'm just using this for the purpose of this training, to give you the insight that you needed to pad it in order for you to get to a certain height. And apart from the fact that it will help you to get the height, it will also help the leaf that you are placing on it to find a very good position to sit. It will not be too difficult for you to do your placement. All right, so if you've not done this before, consider doing it, giving it a lift, so that it can be suspended, and you'll be able to achieve what you hope to achieve. So this is it. Yeah, so you can see I tacked the beginning and the end. Apart from the fact that I use glue, this is me always trying to ensure that whatever I am doing is durable. I don't want to do anything that can just easily fall off, you know After getting to my client, it will not last. Before you know it, it will start falling off, and maybe give it some few months, the client will no longer be able to use it. That's not part of the deal we offer in creative ends. All right, so here it is. We go ahead and we'll begin to glue. You can see the first leaf I put there now is already high. If you are sitting it directly on the headband, you will agree with me that you cannot achieve the first height that we just have. So when you make it higher than this, you can achieve higher height than what you are seeing right now. So please, if you intend to try it, you can try it. My numbers are all over the internet. Send it to me and let me see. I will really appreciate it if I can see the work of my students online. Yeah, so this is it, and this is all for this particular video. If you have any question, please drop on the comment section. I will be glad to respond to you. But if you do not have any question, it will not be bad if you just go ahead and say thank you. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe, and do not also forget to recommend our channel to other friends, families and lovers. Okay, thank you. Bye. I'll see you in my next video.